Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Halo Mini on a brand new 2025 BMW XM. So we fitted this. So how the system works, someone jumps in the vehicle, tries to start it. As soon as I try and put it in gear, it just won't go into gear. So on here we've done a very basic code, which we're going to change after the video. And once we put the code in the corner, you'll get a full beam flash. So tap, 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 tap. There you go. Place in gear and drive away. As soon as I turn off the ignition, as soon as I open the door, the system will become armed. And if I try and start it again, okay, we just can't put it into gear. On here, we've supplied a tag also. So what we're going to do now, we're going to switch on that tag and show you how that works. So now with the tag in the vehicle, tags in the vehicle, as soon as I start the vehicle up, there's our flash, select a gear and drive away. Okay, say for example, the vehicle was stolen with the tag being present. You would send a command from our tracker from here, and that will block the tag, and when they turn it off, they won't be able to drive it. Okay.